Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will tell you how to fix Aetna app error code 1. This error can indicate a variety of issues such as an incorrect login, network connection problems, or a technical issue with the app itself. So first of all, restart the app. For this, go to Google Play Store if you are using Android and App Store if you are using iOS, and here open the app, and if update available, update the app here. Next check your internet speed. For this, go to Google Chrome or any other web browser and type internet speed test and open the first link, and your internet speed must be 2 Mbps, or if this low from this, you should have to contact internet service provider. After that, you should have to clear the cache of the app. For this, long press on the app and tap on app info, and here tap on storage and cache, and here you can see clear cache option at the bottom. And if this not worked, then completely uninstall the app. For this, go to Google Play Store and type Aetna and open up the app and uninstall here and reinstall it again. If all these steps not worked, then go to Google and type Aetna app support and open up this link, and here tell the issue to Aetna app support team. So hope this will work for you. Thanks, goodbye.